Sir?
This house, we have suffered enough.
Yes.
Things must change.
Yes.
Seriously, look at your shoe.
Yes.
You have been wearing this shoe since. It has spoiled.
Yes.
So we must fast and pray.
Yes.
2 days fasting.
2 days fasting.
2 days, not 2 hours. 2 days. 2 days, not 2 hours. 2 days.
You did not say 2 hours.
Not 2 hours. Me and you, we are going to fast and pray. 2 days, we'll not eat in this house.
2 days.
2 days. We're going to pray.
2 days.
2 days. You know what? Those clothes inside the house, go and pack them, hang them outside. And don't pass near the kitchen. Don't even perceive anything in the kitchen. In fact, lock the kitchen, lock the backyard, lock the window. Don't even perceive water. No eating. We must pray. Things must change. We are going to pack all these things.
2 days, oh.
2 days.
2 days.
Fasting.
2 days.
Prayers.
2 days.
Hunger.
2 days.
Change.
2 days.
Change.
2 days.
Change.
Okay.
Fasting. Things must change, oh. Today. Things just hard everywhere, just block. No. Things must change. We are going to fast 2 days. Seriously. 2 days. Must fast. You are here. Marvelous. Okay, you thought I will not see Abby. So you came here to come and hide. We are fasting 2 days. You are eating bread here. Eh? Marvelous.
Sir?
You are eating bread.
Uncle, who told you that it's bread?
It's not bread. So what are you eating?
It's life.
Life. Okay, you are eating life. How is this one life? Eh?
Huh?
How is this one life? Tell me now.
Uncle, have you forgotten that Jesus is the bread of life?
This is the bread of life and you are eating bread. Give me small life. Give me small life.
But the other time we are doing fast.
Give me small life. Give me small life. Give me small life.
Uncle, take classy.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching Gifted Med Comedy. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. See you next Friday.